guys, and welcome back to the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel. Today we're doing an easy car care wash. So the products that we're going to be using today are the Artic Meltdown Snow Foam, the Exotic Wash and Wax Shampoo, and then to finish off we're using the Chrome, the High Gloss Spray Wax. So I'm going to go through how to use these and then a little bit on my thoughts, but not too much because it's not a review, it's just how to use these products on when washing your car. Okay, so the first product that we're going to use on the car, which I'm going to go through them in order. So the first product that you want to use is the snow foam. So in this video I've chosen the Artic Meltdown Snow Foam. From the Easy Car Care range, they do another snow foam, I think that's called Sub-Zero, but yeah, for this video I've chosen the Artic Meltdown. So all you have to do, you have to put an inch of the snow foam in the bottom of the snow foam lance and then fill it up with warm water, and then we're going to apply it to the car. Okay, so that's the snow foam filled up with warm water. So I'm going to apply it to this car. So today we're using a Ford Fiesta. I think this is one of the new shapes. I think it's like a 14 plate, so it's fairly new. It's quite dirty, considering all the snow and all the bad weather that we've been having over the last few weeks. So this is the first wash since then. So I'm hoping this snow foam will cling to the car and take all that off really. So how to use this? So you apply it to the car, leave it a few minutes, and then rinse it off. So here's the application, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so as you can see, that's the snow foam layered on. At this point, so you leave it on for 3 to 4 minutes to dwell, to go into all that stuck on dirt. So I think it's a good idea to let's go fill up the buckets with the Exotic shampoo, and then let's come back and rinse this off. Okay, so this is the Exotic shampoo. I'm just going to pour a cap full of the shampoo into a bucket, and then we're going to fill it up with warm water, and then we'll wash the car with it. Okay, so now we've filled the buckets up, we're just going to rinse the snow foam off, and then we'll apply the 2-bucket method to wash the car with the Exotic shampoo. Okay, so now we've rinsed the snow foam off, I'm just washing the car with the exotic easy car care shampoo. So what we want to do here, we want to use the 2 bucket method. So if you're not familiar with the 2 bucket method, I'll put a link in the description to one of our blogs that we wrote last year. So that'll tell you how to use the 2 bucket method and what's the benefits of them. So yeah, I'll show you some shots of cleaning the car. Start from the roof and then work your way down to the bottom of the car. Okay, so what I really like about this shampoo, it does foam up really well. So as you can see, loads of suds, and yeah, it's just something I like personally. Okay, so that's the car washed using the exotic shampoo. So if you do want more information on the 2 bucket method, or even if you want us to do a video on that explaining what are the benefits and how to use it properly, then yeah, just comment below and we can get that sorted in the next few weeks for you. So now I'm just going to rinse it off. We'll get a drying towel after, we'll dry the car, and then we'll use the chrome detailing spray to finish it off and give it a good shine. Okay, so now I've rinsed that shampoo off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry the car off. So today what I'm using as a drying towel is this is one of the drying towels that we sell on our website, so I'll leave the link below for that. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to use this. So basically the same as washing, start from the roof, work your way down, and then lastly do the lower panels. So if there is any dirt left behind, you're not dragging it around on the drying towel around your paintwork. Okay, and that's one side dry. So, and this drying towel is not even wet, or well, it's just starting to get damp. So this drying towel, it can like dry off a big car, and you can probably get 2 cars out of these. They are really good quality for the price. So again, I'll put the link below for these because well, this is what we use on the van. So you may as well try it if you're looking for a good drying towel. So that's the car dried with our drying towel. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply the chrome detailing spray. Okay, so how to use this: you spray it on one panel at a time. you wipe it with a microfibre or application pad to spread it over the panel. You leave it a few minutes and then you buff it off. So it's going to be, well, hopefully a really easy application. So let's try it out and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, so just for this demonstration, I'm just going to do this quarter here. So spray it on. Fold your microfibre so your label doesn't get in the way. And then wipe it from side to side. And then we'll wait a few minutes. And then we'll buff it off.
Are you ready?
Okay, so now we're going to buff it off. It should be pretty simple. So the main thing here is don't let it dry. Just leave it on for about a minute, and then yeah, just wipe it off, and you should get a nice clean shine, and it's protected. So I'm just going to go around the rest of the car, and then we'll show you some shots of the finished car, and then I'll go through where you can get these products from. And okay, so I finished applying the chrome to the car. The car looks really shiny, so hopefully the spray wax will come through. So yeah, that was really easy to apply. I'll show you a few shots now of the car, how it stands now, so you can see the effects of the full, well, of my easy car care wash. Okay, so that was the easy car wash. So these products are available on our shop, so that's shop.thedetailingdetectives.co.uk. I'll put all the links below for these products, and we will be doing some like more in-depth videos on how to use these. This was just more of an overview of, well, 3 products from the Easy Car Care range, washing a car, and how easy it was. So I asked myself, how easy was it? Very easy. The snow foam, really thick, went on the car really well, clung to the it clung to all the dirt. The wash and wax shampoo, the exotic, again, loads of bubbles is what I like. So yeah, it really did wash the car well. And then the chrome detailing spray, well, the car looks really shiny now, and that's pretty much what it's there for. So yeah, these are all available on our shop. Some other products that I'd like to talk about just before we finish. So there was 2 cloths that I used in this video. So we have the drying towel and the microfibre cloth. So both of these again are available on our website, shop.thedetailingdetectives.co.uk. I'll put the link in the description below. And that's the Easy Car Care car wash.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!